Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature some hair transformations. First up, we see this beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous shape that the stylist created with this particular pixie cut. Very unique, runway inspired for sure. Next up, we see a long to short hair transformation. And she ends up getting this beautiful lob haircut. And then we see another pixie makeover. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like the stylist did more of a pixie haircut with this one. It does feature elements of both a pixie and a bob. Or you could also classify this as a longer pixie cut. Beautiful shape and texture, gorgeous. And then here we have another gorgeous lob haircut. And then we have this beautiful pixie haircut.